So good morning all. Welcome to Sakalavidya YouTube channel. Today joined Senkanarana, Vamshi, Valli, Lakshmi, Sanjeev Kumar, Lingam, Bhavana, Harshita, Gopalam Sai, Rowdy Roy, Jay Pranay, Bujji, Priyanka, Nenavat, Prasad, Sanjay Rani, Nivvi Reddy, Chintu, Gopasri, Swati, Akshay, Vamshi, Kartikeya, Dinkar, Vaishnavi Vinayaki. Right. Good morning all. Good morning. Ganesh, Ashwa Reddy, regular. Shri Krishna Yadav also regular. Good morning all. Good morning. Sumant, Jyoti, your Kings Yadav after a long time. Gopasri, Anna Priyanka. Okay, you'll be getting wise now. Slowly it will pick up. Okay, I will. Okay, right. So 1 minute. Okay, Akshay Diman, legend. Tejasvi, Ishwar. Okay, Srinivas. Right. Okay, and now straight lines part 8. So now the question number 80. Question number 80. If the lines if the lines if the lines a1x plus b1y equals to 1, a2x plus b2y equals to 1, a3x plus b3y equals to 1, or concurrent or concurrent, then the points a1 comma b1, a2 comma b2, a3 comma b3 form first point equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle. Second option right angle triangle, right angled triangle. Third option scalene triangle, scalene triangle. Fourth option lie on a straight line, lie on a straight line. So this is the question, right? So now if the lines a1x plus b1y equals to 1, a2x plus b2y equals to 1, a3x plus b3y equal to 1 are concurrent, then the points a1 comma b1, a2 comma b2, a3 comma b3 form an equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, scalene triangle, and lie on a straight line. So that means these three lines are concurrent. Then what does actually these points a1 comma b1, a2 comma b2, and a3 comma b3 form? So that we need to find out. So that's why first here so for example here see the area of the triangle, area of the triangle formed by the points ax1 comma y1, bx2 comma y2, and cx3 comma y3 is given by, so delta is equal to of mod sigma x1 into y2 minus y3, this is one of the formulae, or of mod det of determinant of x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, or y1 minus y3, or same this area of the triangle is given by of determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Even if you expand this one, you get the same value itself only. That means area of the triangle, this is a very important point you remember. This is a concept you need to remember. Concept. The area of the triangle formed by the points a x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2, and c x3 comma y3 is given by, so these three formulae. So generally, for example, one more concept you need to find out. For example, if delta is equal to 0, then A comma B comma C are collinear. So that is they lie on a straight line. Okay, this concept you remember. So now with the help of this concept, now this problem can be solved. So now let us write it. Solution. Since these three lines are concurrent, we can write det of A1 B1 minus 1 A2 B2 C2, sorry, A2 B2 minus 1 A3 B3 minus 1 equals to 0, since they are concurrent. So take minus 1 common from C1 and R minus 1 common and cross multiply. Then this can be rewritten as A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 1 A3 B3 1 equal to 0. Multiply off on both sides. So this is nothing but delta is equal to 0. That means area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. Therefore, points are collinear. Points A, B, C are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the straight line. Fourth option is the right option. Question number 81. Question number 81. If theta is the parameter then the family of lines represented by represented by 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta of x plus 3 cos theta minus 5 sin theta of y minus of 5 cos theta minus 7 sin theta equal to 0 are concurrent at the point first option minus 1 comma 1, second option minus 1 comma minus 1, third option 1 comma 1, fourth option 4 by 19 comma 29 by 19. Okay, if theta is the parameter, then the family of lines represented by 2 cos theta plus 3 sin theta of x plus 3 cos theta minus 5 sin theta of y minus of 5 cos theta minus 7 sin theta equals to 0, or concurrent. That means point of concurrence we need to find out. See the solution. So take actually here cos theta common. Cos theta, and cos theta. Here cos theta coefficient is 2, so you get 2x. Next plus 3y. Here minus 5 of cos theta we can write. Now sin theta, and sin theta. So plus 3x minus 5y minus into minus plus 7 equal to 0. So this is in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. So that means the point of concurrence is point of intersection of these two lines. That means 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0, equation 1. Second one is 3x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. This is 2. You can verify the options. First option, substitute in first equation. What do you get now? Minus 2 plus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 4. So minus 4 does not equal to 0. So first option is incorrect. Go to second option. Substitute here minus 2, minus 3 and minus 5 does not equal to 0. Second option is eliminated. Go to third option. So third option is actually 2 plus 3 minus 5 equal to 0, and you need to substitute in second equation also. So that means 3 minus 5 plus 7. This is actually, it will not satisfy. So that means obviously the fourth option is the right option. Otherwise solve 1 and 2, you will get the point of intersection. Solve 1 and 2. That means solve 1 and 2. We get point of intersection equal to 4 by 19 comma 29 by 19. Equation of the line belonging to the system the system 3x plus 2y minus 8 plus lambda of 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0, and having equal intercepts is first option x plus y equals to 0, second option x plus y equals to 1, third option x plus y equals to 2, fourth option x plus y equals to 3. Okay. So now equation of the line belonging to the system 3x plus y minus 8 plus lambda times 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 having equal intercepts. So that means actually what we need to do means first this is in the form of L1 plus lambda. Actually this equation is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. So you need to put this in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then find x-intercept and y-intercept, both need to be equated so that we get the value of lambda. Substitute lambda here, you get required answer. So that will be very lengthy. That's the board examination method. But here I do one thing. So here L1 is equal to 0 write down first. That is 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. Say equation 1. Second equation is 2x minus 5y plus 1 equals to 0. Solve these two equations. Solve these two equations. So that means you can write like this: minus 5, 1, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 8, 3, 2. X, y, 1. This method is called cross multiplication method. So x divided by, you have 40 minus 2, y upon divided by determinant of 1, 2 minus 8, 3. 3 plus 16, 1 upon 4 plus 15. This is x by 38. This will be y by 19 equals to 1 by 19. Now if you equate these two, next we need to equate these two. So now we get x is equal to 38 by 19 2, y equals to 19 by 19 1. So therefore point of intersection equals to 2 comma 1. Substitute in the options. First option 2 plus 1 3 does not equal to 0. First option is ignored. Second option 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 does not equal to 1. Second option ignored. Third option 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 does not equal to here 2. So now go to the fourth option. Fourth option is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Yes, fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. So today any new viewers are there, you need to subscribe. Okay, now so let us discuss one more concept first before going to the problem. So concept. Suppose say this is vertex A, this is vertex B and vertex C. For example, x coordinates are x1 comma y1, y coordinates, b coordinates are x2 comma y2, c coordinates are x3 comma y3. Now how to find orthocenter? This is the question. Orthocenter of triangle ABC. This is the question. How to find out orthocenter of triangle ABC here. So first let us have a discussion. What is the orthocenter? What is the orthocenter means? See. So drop the perpendicular from A to B. So drop the perpendicular from B to AC. Drop the perpendicular from C to AB. So now let us say this is D point, sorry, this is D point, this is E point, this is F point. This is perpendicular, so perpendicular and perpendicular. Here AD, BE, CF are called altitudes. The point of concurrence, this point is called orthocenter, denoted by H. Orthocenter is H. Now how to calculate H? So in order to find out H, we need to follow these steps. First step, step 1. So step 1, here subtract ax1 comma y1 from all the vertices, from A, all the vertices A, B and C. Now we get like this form. A becomes origin 0 comma 0. Say B becomes capital X1 comma capital Y1. C becomes capital X2 comma capital Y2. Next step 2. What is the step 2 means? We need to find out K value. What is K value means? I will tell you. That is X1 X2 plus Y1 Y2 upon capital X1 Y2 minus capital X2 Y1. You calculate K value. Now step 3. What is the step 3 means? Here you get, it's not a virginal orthocenter. Orthocenter of the, actually now we translated the point to ax1 comma y1, new coordinates. H dash is given by here. So minus k into y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2, comma k times x1 minus x2. Next step 4. What is the step 4 means? H is given by, for example, say these coordinates are a comma b, for example. Now H is equal to, you need to write H star plus a coordinates. You need to add. That means a comma b plus x1 comma y1. That is equal to a plus x1 comma b plus y1. This is the required orthocenter. So in this way we can find out the orthocenter of the triangle. Please note it down. Suppose if direct origin is there, you can proceed from step number 2. So this concept we need to remember. Question number 83. Question number 83. Question number 83. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by 0, 0, one of the vertices is origin, 5, -1 and -2, 3 is first option 4, -7, second option -4, 7, third option is 4, 7, fourth option -4, -7. So let us find out now. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by 0, 0, 5, -1, -2, 3. So first, that means already one of the vertices is 0, 0. So first step 1 find out. What is the step 1? I will explain. K value you need to find out. What is the K value? x1, y2 minus x2, y1 x1, x2 plus y1, y2 upon x1, y2 minus x2, y1. So let us substitute. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So x1, x2. x1, x2 means minus 10. y1, y2 minus 3 by x1, y2. x1, y2 means 15 minus into minus plus. So that will be minus 2. Minus 13 by 13. So K value will be minus 1. Now step 2. Step 2 is orthocenter H is equal to, directly we can write, minus K times y1 minus y2 comma K times x1 minus x2. K means minus 1 here. So we have minus of minus 1 is 1 of y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus 3 comma minus 1 of x1 minus x2. x1 minus x2 means 5 plus 2. So this equals to minus 4 comma minus 7. That means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. See, this will be for whenever one of the vertices is not origin, this method is to be adopted. If the one of the vertices is origin, very simple method, directly step 3, step 2, step 3, that's all. Step 3 becomes step 1, step 3 becomes step 2. You will get the answer. Say this is A, this is B, this is C. So this is a right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angled triangle where angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, orthocenter H is equal to vertex opposite to the hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, orthocenter is always lies in the opposite to the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. So this is the orthocenter. B becomes orthocenter. Understood now? Right. K minus 1 here. K is equal to minus 1. Right. Understood now? So that means in a right angle triangle, the vertex opposite to the hypotenuse is the orthocenter. For example, equations of the lines given. For example, this is equation, say AB is L1 equal to 0, BC is L2 equal to 0, AC is L3 equal to 0. Then if you are asked to find out the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines whose sides are L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0, L3 is equal to 0. Then we need to check that L1 is perpendicular to L2 or L2 is perpendicular to L3. For example, if L1 is perpendicular to L2, the point of intersection of L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 becomes orthocenter. So that we need to remember. Okay, now let us move to next question. 84th question. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 is, first option is 0 comma minus 1, second option is 0 comma 0, third option is 1 comma 1, fourth option is minus 1 comma 0. So whenever these kind of actually questions are given, the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0, we need to check for any two of them are perpendicular. If they are perpendicular, directly solve those two equations, we get the point of intersection is the orthocenter. So that means actually this. For example, if L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0 are perpendicular, for example perpendicular, the point of intersection of this one is the orthocenter. So now you check these two lines, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means slope of this line you say m1 equals to -1. Slope of this line is m2 is 1. m1 into m2 is equal to -1. That implies these two lines L1 perpendicular to L2. That means you get a right angle triangle. So this is first line L1 is equal to 0. This is L2 is equal to 0. Obviously this is L3 is equal to 0. For example, say A, B, C. What is the orthocenter of right angle triangle? B. B is nothing but point of intersection of L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. Solve these two equations. First equation is x plus y equal to -1, say equation 1. X minus y equals to -1, say equation 2. Adding. So if you add, what do you get now here? 2y equals to -2. Sorry, 2x equal to -2. X is equal to -1 from 1. So -1 plus y equal to -1. So y equal to 0. Therefore, orthocenter H is equal to here -1 comma 0. -1 comma 0. Fourth option is the right option. Okay. Niviradi, you check your option. So next, how to find circumcenter. Say for example A, x1 comma y1, B, x2 comma y2, C, x3 comma y3. Okay, no problem. Right. First make, for example, I will explain for origin. That's very simple. Later we go for say 0 comma 0. One of the vertices is this is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Okay, step 1. So in order to find out circumcenter, first step 1 is equal to k value find out. What is the k value means? X1 square plus y1 square minus of x2 square plus y2 square upon 2 multiplied by x1 y2 minus x2 y1. First you find k value. After that step 2 is equal to circumcenter is given by S is given by the formula. So minus k into same just like y1 minus y2 to k times x1 minus x2. That's all. You will get the circumcenter. First let me explain what is the circumcenter. What is the circumcenter means? For example, perpendicular bisector of BC and perpendicular bisector of perpendicular bisector of CA, perpendicular bisector of AB. This is perpendicular, perpendicular, perpendicular. They meet at point. This is called circumcenter. This is S. Okay. So now, for example, this is not origin. Then what we need to do? Subtract BC from A, it becomes origin. Then you need to find out like this. After getting the answer, add, for example, this is x1 comma y1, add to x1 comma y1 for this one, you get the circumcenter. So first let us find out now. So now 85. Question number 85. The circumcenter of a triangle with vertices minus 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 0 is first option 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2, second option 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2, third option minus 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2, fourth option minus 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2. Okay. First, the circumcenter of a triangle with vertices minus 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 0. First one of the vertices we need to make 0 comma 0. So that means actually here subtract right. I think you will be getting now. So you will be getting now. Wait 1 minute. Okay, it's good. Okay. It's coming, no problem, no problem. It's coming. Right. X1 square plus Y1 square is 4 square is 16 minus 4 square is 16, 32 minus 36 plus 9, 45 upon 2 times x1 y2. x1 y2 means minus 12 minus x2 y1 plus 24 plus 24. this will be 3, 13, minus 13 upon this will be 24, minus 13 by 24. Am I correct now? Now we need to find out okay. 16 plus 16 is 32. 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 minus 2 is minus 13. Okay, x1, y2. x1, y2 means minus 12. Right, minus x2. Minus x3 plus 24. Yes, correct. Right, next what we need to find out now? Say s dash, s star equal to k. Minus k means 13 by 24 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 is minus 1, comma, minus 13 by 24 into, this will be how much? 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So this will be minus 13 by 24, comma, 26 by 24. But we need to add this one now. So s is equal to minus 13 by 24, 26 by 24 plus what we have subtracted, minus 2 comma 3. Add minus 2 comma 3. Then you will get the answer. So then you will get the answer. You try it. Eighty-sixth question. Okay. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0, x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0, 2x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Is first option 5 comma 5, second option 5 comma minus 5, 5 comma minus 5, third one is minus 5 comma 5, fourth option is minus 5 comma minus 5. Okay, see the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0, x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0, 2x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. So now check, actually here this line and this line are perpendicular. Then point of intersection of these two lines is the orthocenter. You check it now. Say for example slope of this one is m1 equal to 1 by 2. Slope is m3, third line, equal to, you will be getting, no, you are not getting, right. Now you need to solve, that's all. Right. Say first equation x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Say equation 1. Second equation x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Third equation 2x minus y minus 9 equals to 0. So that means now the triangle, say A, B, C. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now solving 1 and 3 you get A coordinates. Solving 1 and 2 you get B coordinates. Solving 2 and 3 you get C coordinates. Then you need to find out. Understood now? So that means actually here I will explain one shortcut for this one. You remember, first take these two lines. Shortcut I will explain. First take these two lines. In these two lines A1 A2 plus B1 B2 write down. A1 A2 A1 A2 A1 A2 means 1 plus B1 B2 minus 2 into third line write down. Third line is 2x minus y minus 9 equals to, this time you take these two lines. You take these two lines. Here also A1 A2 2 plus B1 B2 minus 1 into first equation write down. What is the first equation? X minus 2y plus 9 write down. This will be minus 2x plus y plus 9 equal to x minus 2y plus 9. So x minus 2y, this 9 gets cancelled. X minus 2y equals to minus 2x plus y. Take this side. You get now 3x minus 3y equals to 0. That means you get x minus y is equal to 0. Substitute the options. Substitute the options. Either first option or second option will satisfy. Because 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 or minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Second option, third option will be eliminated. Now what we need to do means, we need to find out, I will explain another page, this one. 86, solution of 86. 86. What are the equations? Once again write down. X minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Equation 1. X plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. This equation 2. And 2x minus y minus 9 is equal to 0. This time you do one thing. Take first equation and second equation. One into 2, 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into second equation. X plus y minus 9 equals to, this time you do one thing, take these two equations, that is 1 into 1 1 minus 2 into this third equation right down, 2x minus y minus 9. This will be 4x plus 4y minus 36 equals to minus 2x plus y plus 9. This is 6x plus 5y minus 45. This will be 3y, sorry. 3y minus 45 is equal to 0. Divide by 3. 2x plus y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now substitute the options. Only two options are left over here. 5 comma 5 and last fourth option minus 5 comma minus 5. Substitute here. So 10 plus 5 minus 15. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Yes, first option is the right option. First option is the right option. 5 comma 5. So I will explain clearly next to this one. '87 two sides of a triangle are y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x, where m1 comma m2 are the roots of the equation x square plus ax plus 1 equals to 0 for all values of a. The orthocenter of the triangle is first option is 1 comma 1. Okay, after completion of 87 definitely I will explain 86. Don't worry, I will explain. Second option 2 comma 2. Third option is 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Fourth option is 0 comma 0. This is the question. Right. So now the two sides of a triangle are given by y is equal to m1x, y is equal to m2x. They pass through the origin. Both, that means point of intersection of y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x will be obviously that is origin itself only, where m1 comma m2 are the roots of the equation, because but m1 and m2 are the slopes of the lines. They are the roots of the quadratic equation. X square plus ax, this is so minus 1 equal to 0. For all values of a, the orthocenter of the triangle we need to find out. That means first, if you are able to find out product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, obviously this y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x will be the two legs of a right angle triangle. The point of intersection of these two lines will be the orthocenter. So y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x, point of intersection is origin. So obviously origin will be the answer. So now let us check it now. See, x square plus ax minus 1 is equal to 0 has two roots, m1, m2. Product of the roots find out. Product of roots, that is equal to m1 into m2 equal to constant term by x square coefficient minus 1. Therefore, these two lines are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular means orthocenter is equal to point of intersection of perpendicular lines. Y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. Both pass through the origin. That's why 0, 0 is the orthocenter. Fourth option is the orthocenter. Okay. Now let me explain the concept of 86th. Concept of 86th question. See, for example, you take a triangle. Suppose A, B, C. Equation of AB is given, L1 is equal to 0. Equation of BC is given, L2 is equal to 0. Equation of CA is given, L3 equals to 0. For example, if you want to find out orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0, L3 is equal to 0, we follow this shortcut. This shortcut we follow. What is the shortcut means? Generally, we find out the altitudes. Say AD one altitude, BE other altitude. The point of intersection of this one is the orthocenter. So how to find out the altitudes? Equation of the altitudes I will explain now. Consider L1 equals to A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals to 0. Say equation 1. L2 equals to A2x B2y plus C2 equals to 0. Say equation 2. L3 equals to A3x plus B3y plus C3 equals to 0. Say this equation 3. Now equation of the altitudes find out. Equation of the altitudes. Equation of, for example, AD if you want to find out. AD. Understood now. How to find out AD means actually here or any equation of altitudes. Equation of altitudes means first consider these two equations. Here A1 A2 plus B1 B2 write down into L3. L3 stands for this one equal to. So next now take these two equations. Take these two equations. So that means you can write A1 A3 plus B1 B3. So now when you take these L1 and L3, L2 is missing. L2. Simplify this one, you get one of the altitudes, equation 1. Similarly, now you do one thing. Consider these two once again. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 into L3. Now here L1 write down. L1 means if you want to write L1, consider these two equations now. Here A2 A3 plus B2 B3. See, this is equation 4, equation 5. Solving, we get orthocenter. H. That's all. Understood now? This is the 86th question. Okay, now eighty-fifth one. Okay. Now, so let us check the points once again. Points are correct or not? What are the points? Right. So now subtract minus 2 comma 3. This will be 0 comma 0. This will be 4. This will be minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 comma minus 3. Correct? Now say this is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. So find this value. X1 square plus y1 square minus of x2 square plus y2 square. 16 plus 16, 32. 36 plus 9, 45. This will be minus 13. And next x1 y2 minus x2 y1. 4 into minus 3 minus 12 plus 24. This will be 12. Now k value. What is k value? X1 square plus y1 square minus of x2 square plus y2 square by 2 times x1 y2 minus x2 y1. That is minus 13 by 24. This I did it. Okay, next. X coordinate is minus k into y1 minus y2. So 13 by 24 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 means here minus 1. Minus 13 by 24. Y will be k into x1 minus x2. So minus 13 by 24 into x1. x1 is 4 minus 6 minus 2. This will be 13 by 12. So now, for example, circumcenter. We need to add this one. Minus 13 by 24 plus, that means minus 2 you will be getting, comma, minus 13 by 12 plus 3. This equals to minus 13 plus minus 48 by 24. Next, minus 13 plus 36 by 24 you will be getting. This we are getting. Same thing only I did it. So actually here vertices may be wrong. I will check later. Okay. Mm. 13 by 12 plus 2. 13 by 2. x1 by 2 is minus 12 minus x2 minus 6 plus 24 plus 12 only 24. Okay. Okay. I will check it later. Don't worry. This question. Okay, 88 question. In the evening session, I will do it that one. Okay. The orthocenter of triangle formed by A cos alpha, A sin alpha. Okay, leave it that question. I will discuss later. A cos beta, comma, A sin beta. A cos gamma, A sin gamma is first option sigma minus A cos alpha, comma, sigma A sin alpha. Second option sigma a cos alpha comma sigma a sin alpha. Third option, sigma minus a cos alpha sigma minus a sin alpha. Fourth option, sigma minus a cos alpha comma sigma a sin alpha. This is the question. Right. See, the orthocenter of the triangle formed by a cos alpha comma a sin alpha, a cos beta comma a sin beta, a cos gamma comma a sin gamma. So that means you take a triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. These coordinates are a cos alpha comma a sin alpha. This is a cos beta comma a sin beta. Now this will be a cos gamma minus a sin gamma. Okay, now question number 88 solution. See, I ask you one question. What is the distance from origin to a cos alpha comma a sin alpha? What is the distance? What is the distance from origin to a cos alpha comma a sin alpha? Is actually a. Similarly, the distance from a cos beta comma a sin beta is also a. Distance from origin to a cos gamma a sin gamma is also a. That means these 3 points are equidistant from origin. For example, you take origin here, O0 comma 0, that will be inside. You join OA and OB and OC. Here what we observe that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. That means this distance is A, this distance is A, this distance is A. So therefore O is circumcenter. O is circumcenter. Circumcenter is equidistant from vertices. Circumcenter is equidistant from vertices. So that means already circumcenter is given. Now we need to find out orthocenter. As the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, we can find out centroid. First here see, orthocenter O is equal to or S is equal to, you can say any problem, 0 comma 0, better you can say S, generally denoted by S. This is circumcenter. Now centroid find out, G. G is equal to a cos alpha plus a cos beta plus a cos gamma. That we can write sigma a cos alpha by 3, comma, this is sigma a sin alpha by 3. As we know the circumcenter and centroid, orthocenter easily we can find out. So orthocenter is equal to, we have one formula, 3 centroid minus 2 circumcenter. This is the relation. So that's why 3 circumcenter means that will be 3 multiplied by x coordinate 3 cancel, y coordinate 3 cancel. We get sigma a cos alpha comma sigma a sin alpha minus 2 into 0 comma 0 0 comma 0. So we get sigma a cos alpha sigma a sin alpha. So that means this is the, we have orthocenter. That means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Here actually first option, fourth option are same, change like this, minus a. So obviously second option. This will be very interesting problem. First we find out by observation circumcenter, centroid easily we can find out. As we know the circumcenter and centroid, orthocenter, with the help of this formula we can find out. This is called HGS line on Euler line. Understood now? This is the relation. So 85th problem also, circumcenter SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. You can say SA is equal to SB square, we get one equation. SB is square is equal to SC square, you get second equation. There the perpendicular bisector equation. Solving 1 and 2, we get the circumcenter S. This also we can adopt. See, this A point is the distance from 0 comma 0 to A cos alpha comma A sin alpha is A. The distance from 0 comma 0 to B to A, distance from 0 comma 0 to C is A. That means origin is equidistant from the vertices. So obviously origin becomes circumcenter. This is circumcenter. Centroid. Centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That I have written a cos alpha plus a cos beta plus a cos gamma by 3, sigma a cos alpha by 3 I have written. This is sigma a sin alpha by 3. H is equal to 3 centroid minus 2 circumcenter. 3 into this one, 3 cancel. So minus circumcenter we need to subtract, we get this answer. '89. If 2x plus y minus 4 equals to 0 is a bisector of angles between the lines a into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 2 is equal to 0, and c into x minus 1 plus d into y minus 2 is equal to 0. The other angular bisector is first option x minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0, x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0, third option x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0, fourth option x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. Right. See, 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 is a bisector of the angle between the two lines. A into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 2 is equal to 0 and c into x minus 1 plus d into y minus 2 is equal to 0. The other angular bisector is. So we need to find out. So that means actually 89. So given lines are a into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 2 equal to 0, equation 1. Second equation is given, second line, c into x minus 1 plus d into y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is second line. Solving 1 and 2. Because they are intersecting lines, it's clear it passes through, put x is equal to 1, y is equal to, both will be satisfied by 1 comma 2. So point of intersection is equal to 1 comma 2. That means these two lines are intersecting lines. This is first line, this is second line, this is second line. First equation, second equation. The point of intersection is, say, P. This is P. One comma 2. This is P point, for example. This P point. So now, for example, this is one of the angular bisector equation is given. That means this bisects this angle into two equal parts, like this, two equal parts. Say this equation is given by how much? 2x minus y plus minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we need to find out this other bisector equation. This line we need to find out. Obviously, these two lines will be perpendicular. You remember like this. But both pass through the P point itself only. That is P1 comma 2. That means now we need to find out this equation. Other angular bisector equation. Other angular bisector equation is the line perpendicular to 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0 and passes through 1 comma 2. So that means we can write like this. Other angular bisector is the line perpendicular to 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0 and passes through P1 comma 2. So how to find out? So that means now interchange y and x coefficients and change the sign of this one. You get minus x plus 2y. It passes through which point? 1 comma 2. Substitute here. Minus 1 plus 4. This will be 3. So take that side. X minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0. X minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. See, interchanging the coefficients. Minus 1 comes here, minus x. 2 goes this side. This minus becomes plus. Minus x plus 2y passes through 1 comma 2. Substitute. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. Minus x plus 2y goes that side. X minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. So that means now third option, the right option. Yes, third option. Angular bisectors are always perpendicular. See, this is the equation 1, equation 2. Angular bisector means actually two angles. One will be acute angle, one will be obtuse angle. For example, suppose this is the obtuse angle, 2x minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. We need to find out this one. These two are perpendicular. The point of intersection of these two lines is 1 comma 2. So now we need to find out other angular bisector perpendicular to the given angular bisector and passes through 1 comma 2. That I explained. So question number 90. The nearest point on the line, 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 from the origin is 2 comma 1, second option 2 comma minus 1, third option minus 2 comma 1, fourth option 0 comma 5. So now the nearest point on the line 2x minus y plus 5 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 from the origin we need to find out. So that means first of all, see, this is the line. Suppose say line L is equal to 0. This is the origin 0 comma 0. The nearest point on the line, nearest point from 0 comma 0 on this line you need to find out. So you draw the distances like this. Of all the distances, the perpendicular distance will be the smallest. Am I correct now? For example, this point, this point, and this point, and this point, and this point. Say this is actually A point, B point, P point, C point, and D point. Which will be the nearest P? This P is called actually foot of the perpendicular of 0, 0 with on the line L is equal 0. That we need to find out. So that means now solution write down. The nearest point from O0, 0 on 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is the foot of the perpendicular from O0, 0 to the given line. That means foot of the perpendicular we need to find out. Formula we know, foot of the perpendicular formula, x minus h by x1 equal to y minus k by y1 minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. This is the formula to find out foot of the perpendicular. For example, this P is the foot of the perpendicular, say h comma k. Sorry, I written wrong. H minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b. This is the formula, foot of the perpendicular formula. So this is h comma k, this will be x1 comma y1. Substitute here. H minus 0 by a means this one 2. K minus 0 by b means y coefficient minus 1. Minus of substituting origin here in this one. So you will be getting 5 by a square plus b square, 5. This is minus 1. So we get now like this, h by 2 equal to minus 1 minus k equal to minus 1, h equal to minus 2, k equals to 1. So that means required point is equal to minus 2 comma 1. So which is the right option? Which is the right option? Which is the right option? So third option is the right option. And one more shortcut also we can do it. One more shortcut. The foot of the perpendicular from origin to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus ac by a square plus b square comma minus bc by a square plus b square. So now you see the foot of the perpendicular required point P is equal to, see what is a 2 minus 2 into 5 minus 10 a square plus b square, that is 5 comma minus bc 5 by 5, that will be minus 2 comma 1. This is also other method. So this can be remembered like this, the foot of the perpendicular from origin to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus after Christ ac by a square plus b square comma minus before Christ by a square plus b square. You can remember like that. Ninety-one. Right. Suppose a comma b are 2 points on 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0 and p1 comma 2 is such that pa equals to pb, then the midpoint of AB is first option minus 1 by 5 comma 13 by 5, second option minus 7 by 5 comma 9 by 5, third option 7 by 5 comma minus 9 by 5, fourth option minus 7 by 5 comma 16 by 5. Okay, so now suppose a comma b are 2 points suppose a comma b are 2 points on 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. P is a point such that PA equals to PB. P does not lie on this line. For example, this is the line. This is 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. P is a point 1 comma 2 here. Now 2 points on this one, this PA and PB. PA equal to PB. So midpoint of AB we need to find out. Say midpoint is Q, you join PQ is perpendicular. Q will be the foot of the perpendicular of 1 comma 2 with respect to, on the line 2x minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. So that means now Q is equal to midpoint of AB equal to foot of the perpendicular from P to the line. So we have the formula h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Apply this formula, you will get answer. So what do you get now? H minus x1. x1 means 1. A is from the line 2 equals to k minus 2 by b. B is minus 1. Substituting 1 comma 2 in this line. 1 comma 2 in this line. 1 comma 2 means 2 minus 2. Cancel 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Okay. So now h minus 1 is equal to 6 by 5. By 5. One thing, calculation mistakes here we are getting. Okay. I will check once again. I will check once again. This is 2 minus 2 cancel 3 and minus 3 we have. Okay. Right. H minus 1 by 2 equals to h minus 1 equals to minus 6 by 5. So h is equal to minus 6 by 5 plus 1 minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Next k minus 2 is equal to, here we have 3 by 5. So k equals to 3 by 5 plus 2, 13 by 5. So minus 1 by 5, 13 by 5. Minus 1 by, so first option is the right option. First option is the right option. So calculations we should be very careful. Calculations we need to do it. Because this minus sign is very important. I ignored this one. Here minus. This is very important. So now 92. Question number 92. If the foot of the perpendicular from minus 4 comma 5 to the straight line to the straight line 3x minus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0 is alpha beta, then the value of alpha plus beta is first option 1, second option -1, third option 5, fourth option -5. Okay, first we need to find out foot of the perpendicular from -4 comma 5 to the given straight line 3x minus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0. Say x coordinate is alpha, y coordinate is beta, and sum of x coordinate and y coordinate need to be evaluated. So let us find out now. Your first formula h minus x1 by a k minus y1 by b. This is important. Minus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. Here x1 comma y1 is -4 comma 5. Line is 3x minus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0. This is important. So now h minus x1 floor h plus 4 by 3 k minus 5 by b minus 4 minus 3 into minus 4 minus 12 minus 4 into 5 minus 20 and minus 18 upon a square plus b square 9 plus 16. So this will be how much? 18 plus 12 is 30, correct? 18 plus 12 is 30, 30 plus 20 minus 50 plus 50 by 25, 2. That means h plus 4 equals to 6. K minus 5 is equal to, we have minus 8. Carefully check it. 2, k will be minus 3. So here what is given? H comma k is equal to alpha comma beta. So that means alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 3. We need to find out alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. That is 2 minus 3. So minus 1. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Okay, now we shall continue in the next class. Thank you. I think in 2 more episodes may come in straight lines, because straight lines is very important chapter. Now important problems are to be discussed. Still we have 2 models are there. So if you discuss 2 models, this chapter will be completed. But moreover, today by evening 4 o'clock, definitely I will start vectors. Vectors also I start like this, because as for the weightage, product of 4 vectors has the more weightage. So that I will start from product of the 4 vectors. Next I will come down to cross product, dot product and vector addition. So thank you one and all. Bye. See you.